This is us. Lots of people from different countries. We are friends. We do the same things. We meet. We talk. We work. We live and love. We meet in the street. We talk.
Oh, so nice. Boy or girl? He's a boy. His name's Josh. Oh, so nice. Thanks. How old is he? 14 months. This is my friend. Her daughter has a son. He's 2. Oh, that's nice.
We meet on the train. We talk. Do you like the book?
What? Sorry?
The book. Do you like it?
Oh, yes, it's good.
Yes, I like it too. We meet at work. We talk.
Would you like a break? Yes. Would you like a coffee? Okay.
And they talk more. And they don't work. We meet as a family. We talk. Hey, you're 10.
Happy birthday.
Look at the camera. Smile.
1, 2, 3.
This is us. People. Nice to meet you.